Hello, hi everyone. I am your Badachi. Today in this video lesson, I am going to share with you all the present participles in English. You know, the present participles are one of the most essential and very interesting topics that everyone of us should learn something about these present participles to enrich our language. Dear guys, before going to discuss the various uses of the present participles, it's very important for us to know something about the meaning of the present participles in English. Please listen to me and look here. A verb with ing form which does the work of verb, an adjective, or like an adverb in a sentence is called a present participle. See, present participles are nothing but ing forms, and they are basically non-finite verbs in English. See, some ing forms I have written here. For example, studying, playing, writing, taking, and teaching, etc. Now let's move towards the various uses of the present participles in English. See here, the present participles are used. You know, the first and the most common use of the present participle is, do you know, it's used to form all the continuous tenses in English. To form the first use, to form the continuous tenses in English. Okay, present participles are used to form the continuous tenses in English. How many continuous tenses are there? They are 6 in number. What are they? Present continuous tense, which is formed with the helping verbs like am, is, are. Second, past continuous tense, which is formed by was and were. And future continuous tense, which is formed by secondary helping verb plus be. Okay? And present perfect continuous tense, which is formed by have been, has been. Understand, here been is important. And past continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, you know that it's formed by had been. And future perfect continuous tense has been formed by shall have been or will have been. Okay, for example, you see here. One example I like to give you. The same way you can construct good number of sentences in English. Dinesh is teaching English. Dinesh is teaching English. This is, of course, you know that present continuous tense. Like that, you can make good number of sentences by using these helping verbs in different tenses. Okay, I hope it's clear. Secondly, the present participles are used as an adjectives in English. For example, you know that they are used as adjectives in sentences. They are used as adjectives in sentences. For example, you know that Dinesh is an interesting person. Example, Dinesh, what kind of person he is? He is an interesting person. Okay, and one more example, I saw a running horse in the ground. Here in this sentence, running is used before a noun, so it's an adjective. Even in this sentence, interesting is used before person noun. Therefore, interesting is an adjective. Is it clear? Then third use of the present participle is they are used after the objects. Please remember, present participles are used after the objects which are preceded by have forms. For example, Somu will have his students speaking English within a month. Please look here. Present participle is used after the object which are preceded by have forms. Here have is there. After have, what is there? Object is there. After the object, what is there? Speaking. Present participle is used. Here you have to notice one point. What meaning does it give? It gives the meaning like, with Somu's effort, the students will be speaking in English within a month. Somu will have his students speaking English within a month. What does it mean? With Somu's efforts, his students will be speaking in English within a month. This is the meaning it gives. I am sure you got it. Let's move to fourth use of the present participles. Okay? The fourth very interesting use it is. Please look here. The present participles are used. This is the fourth one. Please remember. It is used after the objects. Which are preceded by won't have. To mean don't or won't allow. Don't or won't allow. See here. Present participles are used after the objects which are preceded by won't have structure to mean what? To mean won't or don't allow. For example, Vasant won't have the boys playing in his garden. Here, please look here. Vasant is subject. Subject is followed by won't have. Won't have is followed by object. Object is followed by one present participle playing. Then question is, what does it mean? It means Vasant doesn't allow the students or the boys to play in his garden. Vasant won't have the boys playing in the garden. It means Vasant won't allow the boys to play in his garden. This is the meaning it gives. I'm sure you got it. Okay. Next, let's move to the fifth use of the present participle. Okay. See, present participles are used for what? To replace, please remember, to replace relative pronoun, to replace relative pronoun and a verb. Come on. Present participle is used to replace relative pronoun and a verb. I'll give you one simple example so it will be clear. For example, there are many people who wish to learn English. Come on. There are many people who wish to learn English. What's this? There are many people who wish to learn English. Here in this sentence, we see who relative pronoun plus verb. What to do? We have to replace the relative pronoun and the verb by using present participle. So how to change? Please see here. There are many people. It's very easy. And here we have to cancel relative pronoun who, and next verb, we have to change it into present participle. So wish, when you add ing to it, what will it become? Wishing. Come on. Many people wishing to learn English. I hope it's clear. There are many people wishing to learn English. Got it? Okay, let's move to sixth use. The sixth usage of the present participle is very interesting. Please see here. Sixth usage. The present participles are used where? After the objects. After the objects which are preceded by which are preceded by the verbs like for example, what kind of verbs are used here? You know that. See, hear, smell, notice, catch, okay, then find, then leave, etc. After these main verbs, we use objects. After those objects, present participle is used. For example, say here, Geeta saw her baby. Geeta saw her baby. What? Sleeping where? in a cradle. Come on. Geeta saw her baby sleeping in a cradle. Geeta saw her baby sleeping in a cradle. Here, saw is finite verb. Her baby is the object. After the object, sleeping is used. What's sleeping here? Present participle. Present participle. Then, I hope it's clear. One more example if you want, I'd like to give here. Somu caught. Somu caught Manju. Okay, taking his bag. See, caught indicates caught plus object plus present participle. It gives unpleasant feeling. Somu caught Manju taking his bag. Somu caught Manju what? Taking his bag. It gives somewhat unpleasant feeling. Is it clear? Then one more interesting example. Vani left the class. Vani left the class. Vani left the students, better say. Vani left the students. Vani left the students reading in the class. Vani left the students reading in the class. What does it mean? The students were reading in the class when Vani left. Have you got what I told? The students were reading in the class when Vani left. This is the meaning of this sentence. I'm sure you got what I told. Sixth usage is clear. Now, seventh usage of present participle. Okay? Present participles are used to denote the second action. To denote the not second action, actually first action. To denote the first action, to denote the first action when one action is immediately followed by another, by the same subject, Okay, this is very common, very interesting. Most of the times this question is asked for secondary students. Okay, to denote the first action we use present participle. When one action is immediately followed by another by the same subject. I'll give you an example, then it's clear. Okay, Raju saw the police. Raju saw the police. Raju saw the police. He ran away. Okay. Here two sentences are there. First sentence, Raju saw the police. Then second sentence, he ran away. What's the first action here? Raju saw the police is the first action. It is followed by another action by the same subject, Raju. Then to show the first action, or to denote the first action, or to indicate the first action, we have to use present participle. Then what's the main verb in the present participle? saw. See, what's the main verb in the first sentence? Saw. Change it into original form. It becomes see plus ing. Then what happens? Seeing. Okay. Write the remaining words as they are. Seeing the police. Seeing the police. Then you look at the subject of the second sentence. What is there? He. Pronoun is there. And look at the subject of first sentence. What is here? Raju is here. Here he is used instead of Raju. So now instead of he we have to write proper noun here. Raju. Okay? Come on. Seeing the police, Raju. Second predicate. The predicate of the second sentence should be repeated as it is. Then what will happen? Raju ran away. Got it? Seeing the police, Raju ran away. Seeing the police, Raju ran away. I hope you got the point. Okay. I hope up to seven usages we discussed so far, all of them are clear. Now I am going to discuss the last usage. The last use of the present participle, I mean eighth use. These are very interesting if we use them while speaking and writing. Okay? The last use of the present participle is the present participles are used for what? To replace the conjunctions like as, since, because, when they are followed by what? When they are followed by subject plus verb. Please remember, when they are followed by subject and verb, we can replace them present participle by using present participles. I will give you an example, then it will be clear. See here. As Ram was a teacher. As Ram was a teacher. Okay. He had a great concern about his students. A great concern about his students. As Ram was a teacher, he had a great concern about his students. This is a sentence. Here, this sentence has begun with as Ram was a teacher. As is a conjunction, is followed by subject and verb. Now we can replace these as, subject and was. How? By using present participle. See, was, you know that, is a form of be. Okay? So, be ing form is, be present participle form is, of course, what? Being. Okay? Then how can you write? Being a teacher. Being a teacher. Again same, here subject is there, Ram. Okay, subject is proper noun. And The subject of the second sentence is pronoun. Okay, here proper noun is there, here pronoun is there. While changing the sentence, instead of pronoun, we have to use proper noun here. Come on. Being a teacher, Ram had a great concern about his students. Come on. Being a teacher, Ram had a great concern about his students. About his students. Okay, being a teacher, Ram had a great concern about his students. Okay, dear friends, I hope you came to know all the uses. How many uses you came to know? 8 uses I discussed. How many? 8 uses of present participle I discussed here with examples. I am sure you came to know something about present participles and their usage in detail, and you please use them whenever situation is required. Remember them, use them, and enrich yourself with English. And these things should be kept in mind in our day-to-day life in order to use them comfortably. Got it? And now I would like to thank you very much for watching my video, and next time definitely I will see you with one more very interesting and new topic in English. Till then, bye. Okay.